We are going to start on our firewall. So now I'm just basically, this is where I had it on the wrong side. Just connecting the dots. And then I'm going to cut it on this side so I have a flange to weld to. All right, that's floppy. I'm going to get the cutoff wheel. So I ended up cutting quite a ways above this line on this because I think I want to try and pull that up and make that level across there. And we'll get this steering shaft out of our way while we do this. I'm just going to follow along this line and try and get all this up vertical. I have a little spot where we gained some metal just because of the way it's bent. We'll just cut into that. Let me try to show you how that lines up. This flange right here with that bar. Right, we may have to adjust it when we actually go to put it in, make it easy to weld, but it's going to be great for our cardboard template right now. And leaving that extra over there worked out pretty good because that pulled up pretty nice and straight across there. So that's good. Let's start our cardboard template here. I already forgot what I measured across there because I want to go just outside of these. Let's go 41 inches. A quick check on this, I'm going to see if I can find a flat spot on the frame. It actually reads as level. See if that matches. Yeah. We're going to open up our Cut 2D and get our picture in here that we took of that cardboard template. And then from there, we just start tracing it out. I had to add that little piece of tape to make it taller on the top. And we just get the basic shape of it first. Close that vector. And I went to put the hole in there and forgot that I hadn't scaled it out. So we got to figure out, that's why we drew our marks. 40 inches. So we get that rectangle there and then see what our percentage is to make it 40 inches, and we can scale the whole thing up. And we readjust our picture back to the scale drawing. From there, it's just kind of working some things around. We'll get our holes for the tubes put in, and we end up adding the outside pieces, and we're going to call that good. And we'll export it and cut it. I forgot to bring y'all along because I was helping some other people out and then did this. But anyway, I cut this out after I drew it up. It turned out to be pretty darn good. I think we're about a 1/4 inch high over here, right here. So I'm going to just notch a 1/4 inch of that out of here. And so it'll set down just a little more on that tunnel where we can tack it together. It's overlapping, but I want it just a hair more. And I'm going to call that good. We got some parts to come out here. And I'll bring y'all along to cut those out. And then I'll take and wire wheel this off or whatever I do. Kind of clean that up. And we'll get it put in. So we're going to try a new camera just mid video. Why? Because it come in. So anyway. We run out of wire in the video.